Ever wonder how those sleek real-time notifications pop up in your favorite web apps? Or maybe you've tried to implement one yourself and it will. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a dynamic real-time network toast notification from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Get ready to level up your web development skills and add this crucial feature to your projects. So how does this work? So when I switch off my internet connectivity, it tells me I'm offline, and when I switch it back on, it also send a toast which says I'm online. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing we do here is create our index.html script and styles.css file. We get the bootstrap icon CDN link into our index.html head so we can be able to use the icons, and we also link our CSS to the project in our header. So let's do that. So after doing that, we change this document over here. We change it to network status check. So, and then we move into the body. We create a div. Sorry, we also need to go back to the bootstrap icon so that we can select the what is it called, an icon of Wi-Fi. And don't forget to create a div of toast. Then after getting the icon, you put it at the inside the div of toast. Under the icon, we create another div with the class of message. In the class of message, inside the div with the class of message, another div with the class of title. And then you write you are online now to indicate that a user is online. This should have the class of title, then another div class with description that says Uri, internet is corrected. Internet is connected. Then under this, we put in another icon of close. Get that from our bootstrap CDN. Yes. Then go to style.css. In our style.css over here, we select the status, the toast, sorry, we select the toast class. We give it the position of fixed, top of 20 pixel, right of 20 pixel. Background color of green. Oh, why is this not showing? I think maybe I haven't connected the styles, but color of white. You know, the font color should be white and padding of 10 pixel. Then we also add font family. Let's just use the system UI to avoid anything. And then border radius of 10 pixels. Also give me the display of grid. Um okay. I didn't add an S, so That should work now. Yeah, it's working now. Width of 300 pixels and grid template columns 40 pixel auto and 30 pixels. So after this, we select the title class and give it the font weight of bold and font size. Font size should be large, and that is okay. So as you can see, it's all aligning. Then we select both the icon and close. We give them the display of flex, justified content center. We put it at the center so you can, and then align items also center with the font size of large. Why is this not working? Oh, okay. You have to come back to the HTML. Then the first icon that is there, we give it icon, and the bottom one, we give it a class of close. Please don't forget to do that. That is an error on my side. And also the border radius, I think I did not put P on the pixels. I do that right now. So you can see it is well rounded now. So font size large. So after this, we need to put in some animation, just add some keyframes and name it show alert. Sorry, show toast either. So give it a from opacity 0 and transform of translate 0, 100 pixels. Transform of translate 0, 100 pixels. To opacity 1, opacity of 1, show it to show back. Transform and transform of translate 0 to 0. So that's it here. Then we'll go back to the toast div and give it an animation. Animation show alert 0.5 second is in and out. You give it an is in and out animation. One. So that's it here. So we need to go back to our HTML, copy this, go down and paste it. So the first one will give it an ID of success. So this will show when you are connected, right? The second one will give it an ID of error. So whenever the internet is not connected, then we'll come down here, we'll give error, the ID of error, background color of red. Let's not think too much about the color right now, just give it red. So that works, rest works. So in our styles, sorry, in our index.html now, we change this you are online. So you're offline. And we change the URL to oops, the connected to disconnected. So now it's to say you're offline now, oops, internet is disconnected. So that's it. Then we'll come to our script.js. So so we we initiate the toast and we select it by using the query selector. Selector and dot toast. But we are going to make use of it soon. So you select the window dot and add the event listener to listen to when you are online. So whenever you are online, it should run this. Oh, sorry. It should run this. Come on. It should run this function of the document, the get element by ID of sources, style, sources, style dot display. It should be grid. Style dot display grid. And then again, just copy it and paste it, and just copy it and paste. But you will change the sources to error right here. Sources to error. Now we're going to use the toast that is up there. You see toast for each index which is I. Yeah. The function, give it an arrow function. Okay. And add the event listener. We should listen for the click. So whenever it is clicked, you should rather run the function of E. So if the event the target has a class list that contains close, it should display none. I don't know if that makes sense. Does it make sense? We will find out right now. Contains close. Alright, if it contains close. The style should display none. Now we'll come back to our CSS and we change the display here to none. So let's check it out. I think I've made an error in my script.js, but let's check it out. Okay. I need to change this to offline, and it all works very well now. You can see when you click on your offline, when you disconnect, it shows that I'm offline, and when I connect, it shows that I'm online back. So guys, subscribe. See you on the next one.